This is question number 5 of exercise 1.3. The says find the product using suitable properties. So we had couple of suitable properties in this lesson which we are going to use here. Now in A part, what we have, first we will swap the position. So minus 48 comes first, multiplied with 26 and rest the same. Minus 48 into minus 36 same. Now minus 48 is taken as common from both the terms. Now 26 minus 36 can be taken as a property that allows us to do is a into b plus a into c, and a is common and b plus c, plus sign is taken common. Now minus 48 as it is, you solved it to get minus 10. Now 48 into 10 is equals to 480 and minus into minus is plus. Now moving to B part, here again we will see what step will make our calculations easy. If you multiply 125 to 8, then the number will come in 0 zeros, that is 1000. So we'll try to achieve that. So we are first swapping the position. This is allowed to us by the property, that is b into a is equal to a into b. We are just swapping the position only. Now we can multiply minus 125 into 8, that gives you negative of 1000. When you multiply it with 53, it is simply attaching 3 zeros to 53, and positive into negative is negative, therefore the answer is minus 5000, 53,000. Now moving to the C part, here we will multiply first 25 into 4. Why? Because it will make 100, because multiplying anything with 100 is an easy calculations. We put it in brackets, minus minus is plus, therefore writing other terms as it is. So 25 into 4 is 100 and negative negative is positive, rest term as it is. Now attaching 3 zeros to it, because 100 into 10 converts into 1000 and positive negative is negative, so therefore minus 15000 is your answer. Now moving to D part. So when we look here at terms, it is not easy multiplied, so we use our brain and split 102 as 100 plus 2, because we will multiply it in pairs. So this is distributive law over multiplication. Now you multiplied 41 with 100 first, and then you multiply 41 to 2, and then you add it, and beside is the identity which allows us to do it, that is a into bracket b plus c bracket close is equal to a into b plus a into c. So add 4100 to 82, which will give 4182, and sign is of positive only, as minus into minus is plus. Now moving to the next part, E part. Now here we can see 625 as common, but 625 is positive and then negative, so we give minus of minus 625 to 65. So minus 625 becomes 625 and 65 becomes minus 65. Now we can take common minus 35 and positive as it is, and minus 65. Now using the property a into b plus a into c is equals to a is taken common and adding b plus c. Now solving this, minus 35 and minus 65, making it minus 100. Now just fixing 2 zeros to 625 to make it minus 62500. Now moving to the next part, that is F part. Now using distributive property over multiplication, doing same thing, that is a b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Therefore 7 5s are 35, adding 1 0 to 35, making it 350 minus 7 2s are is equals to 14, and subtracting the same from 350 we get 336. Now moving to the G part, again it is a complicated multiplication, but we will use our mind and make minus 29 as minus 30 plus 1. When you solve it, it is again minus 29. Now we can do it multiplication over distribution easily. That is whole purpose of learning this these properties. Now 17 into 3, 17 3s are 51, fixing 0 to 51, minus into minus is plus, again here plus as it is, as it is, minus positive as it is, and then minus 17 into 1 is minus 17. Now we subtract minus 17 from 510 to give you 493 as your answer. Now moving to the last part of question number 5, that is H part. Now here we can see that 57 can be taken as common. We can also use solving first 57 into minus 19 and writing 57 as 57 ones, for which we can take common. Now 57 is taken as common, 19 as it is, plus 1 from the other side, because this is the property that governs this, that is a into b plus a into c is equals to a b plus c, which is equal to 57 into 20 is equals to 1140. This makes your question number